Yahoo Finance and Python on your Raspberry Pi, learning lots of stuff. Python and Raspberry Pi, oh why, oh my. Yahoo Finance.
Yahoo Finance and Python on your Raspberry Pi 4. To begin, if you want to use Yahoo Finance and Python on a Raspberry Pi 4 within a virtual environment, first open a terminal. Create a virtual environment by typing python 3-mventilde-mynv and activate it using source_mynv/bin/activate. Next, make sure that pip is up to date by running pip install-upgrade pip. Then, install the y.f.finance library with pip install finance. Optionally, if you want to handle financial data and tables, install pandas using pip install pandas. Once these are installed, you can start a Python session in that environment and import y.f.finance to fetch stock data. Type source_mynv/bin/activate. Keep in mind, these steps may vary depending on the version of your Raspberry Pi. I cannot troubleshoot setup issues for you, but online resources and AI tools can help a lot. Below are 5 different examples of how you can use Python code to retrieve Yahoo Finance data. Example 1. Fetching historical price data. This script teaches a core concept, retrieving time series stock data. Let's go through the code line by line. Line 1. Import finance as YF. This imports the y.f.finance library and gives it the nickname YF. This allows you to use y.f.finance functions using the shorter prefix YF. Line 3. Ticker_symbol equals td.to. Here we define a variable called ticker_symbol and assign it the string td.to. This is the ticker symbol for Toronto Dominion Bank on the Toronto Stock Exchange. The ticker tells y.f.finance which stock to work with. Line 6, stock equals yf.ticker of ticker_symbol. This creates a ticker object called stock for td.to. The ticker object gives you access to various stock data, like historical prices, dividends, balance sheets, and more. Line 9, history equals stock.history of period equals 5d. This fetches the last 5 trading days of stock data, including open, high, low, close prices, volume, and potentially dividends or splits. The data is stored in a variable called history. Line 12, print stock :ticker_symbol. This prints a header showing which stock's data is being displayed. Line 13, print --30. This prints a line of 30 dashes as a visual separator. Line 14, print history. Finally, this prints the actual historical stock data. Overall summary. This script fetches and displays the last 5 days of historical stock data for Toronto Dominion Bank. It imports y.f.finance, sets the ticker symbol, creates a ticker object, retrieves the recent data, and prints it in a readable format with a header and separator. Here is a modified example of this code called fetching historical price data. Instead of printing everything, it just implements the closing prices. What changed? Instead of printing all columns, open, high, low, etc., it now prints just the close column. Added a clearer header so you know it's only closing prices. Example 2, calculating a moving average. A moving average smooths out stock price data over a defined period, like 5 days. Line 1, import finance as YF. Imports the y.f.finance library for fetching stock data. Line 4, ticker_symbol equals td.to. Sets the stock symbol for Toronto Dominion Bank. Line 7, stock equals YF dot ticker of ticker underscore symbol. Creates a ticker object for the stock. Line 10, history equals stock dot history of period equals 1MO. Fetches historical stock data for the past month. Line 13, history bracket MA5 bracket equals history bracket close bracket dot rolling window 5 dot mean. Calculates a 5-day moving average of the closing prices and stores it in a new column called MA5. Line 16, print history bracket close and MA5 bracket. Prints the close prices and the moving average side by side. Overall summary. This code retrieves 1 month of stock data, calculates the 5-day moving average of the closing prices, and prints both the daily closing prices and the average. It's a simple way to perform basic technical analysis using Python and y.f.finance. Example 3, dividends. Dividends are cash payments made to shareholders. Line 1, import finance as YF. Imports the y.f.finance library. Line 3, ticker underscore symbol equals td.to. Sets the stock symbol for Toronto Dominion Bank. Line 7, stock equals yf.ticker of ticker underscore symbol. Creates a ticker object to access the stock's data. Line 9, dividends equals stock.dividends. Retrieves the dividend history and stores it in a variable called dividends. Line 11, print stock ticker underscore symbol. Prints the stock symbol. Line 12, print dash times 30. Prints a separator line. Line 13, print dividends. Prints the dividend data. Overall summary. This script fetches and displays the dividend history for td.to. It creates a ticker object, retrieves dividends, and prints a labeled header with the data. Example 4, financial statements, income statement. This code retrieves a full income statement for analysis. Line 1, import finance as YF. Imports y.f.finance. Line 3, ticker underscore symbol equals td.to. Sets the stock symbol. Line 6, stock equals yf.ticker of ticker underscore symbol. Creates a ticker object. Line 7, income underscore stmt equals stock.financials. Fetches the income statement, including revenue, expenses, and net income. Lines 8 to 10, print stock ticker underscore symbol, print dash times 30, print income underscore stmt. Print the stock symbol, separator, and the income statement. Optional upgrades, uncomment lines to print only net income or total revenue. Overall summary. This script fetches and prints the income statement for td.to. It sets up the library, creates a ticker object, retrieves financial data, and displays it, with options to focus on specific rows. Example 5, balance sheet. The balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity. Line 1, import finance as YF. Imports y.f.finance. Line 3, ticker underscore symbol equals td.to. Sets the stock symbol. Line 6, stock equals yf.ticker of ticker underscore symbol. Creates a ticker object. Line 7, balance underscore sheet equals stock.balance underscore sheet. Fetches the balance sheet and stores it in a variable. Lines 8 to 10, print stock ticker underscore symbol, print dash times 30, print balance underscore sheet. Print the stock symbol, separator, and balance sheet. Overall summary. This code retrieves and displays the balance sheet of td.to, providing a snapshot of the company's financial position. That wraps things up. I created this video to help me get familiar with using Yahoo Finance on my Raspberry Pi projects. Please leave a comment below sharing your ideas, reasons for watching, and what you are trying to achieve with this information. One of my next projects is learning how to post this data on a website. Thanks for watching.